Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture of Advanced Heat Transfer course. In this lecture, we will see various post-processing options available for visualizing results of heat transfer modeling within Fluent software. An overview of this particular course. First, we will see what all variables are available in order to do post-processing or to extract results. We will see how to plot static temperature contour. We will see how to plot total temperature contours. Various other contours and plots are available. We will see all those quantities. We will also see how to extract total surface heat flux or plot a contour of total surface heat flux. We will also see other flux related quantities which can be plotted using the post-processing function or option. Then we will see what all heat transfer quantities or parameters can be reported on the boundaries. There are also surfaces that are there in the CFD model. We will see how various heat transfer quantities can be extracted from surfaces. When we solve heat transfer in Fluent software, the data file contains only temperature and flow data. But only temperature data is never sufficient in order to make design decisions from CFD. We also need many more quantities in the form of results. So what are the different quantities that we can extract from Fluent software? We can plot or we can see static temperature, total temperature, enthalpy, relative total temperature, rothalpy, wall temperature, that is outer wall surface temperature, inner wall surface temperature, total enthalpy deviation, entropy, total energy, internal energy, surface heat flux, surface heat transfer coefficient, which is another important parameter, surface Nusselt's number and Stanton number. Various options exist in post-processing in order to extract these quantities either directly or indirectly. Let us see one by one some of the important post-processing options in Fluent. First, let us see how we plot static temperature. For that, we have to go to Graphics and Animation in the Results tab. Then select Contours as the plotting option or Graphics Animation option. Click on Setup. And then we have the Contours panel. In the Contours panel, we have to select contours of temperature and static temperature. Here, various options are there, like setting the range, surface on which we have to plot temperature values, type of surface, other plotting options like field, node values, global range and auto range. This is the example of a temperature plot. Let us see how to plot total temperature. The method is same. We have to go to Graphics and Animations, click on Contours, the Contours panels opens up, and within temperature, the sub field that we are going to select is total temperature. Total temperature is important in compressible cases where it differs from the static temperature. Those are the two important quantities that we saw which can be plotted using the Contours option. Similarly, contours of various parameters or properties and variables can be displayed from the same window. We can plot enthalpy as shown here. There is relative total temperature, rothalpy, wall outer surface temperature, wall inner surface temperature, total enthalpy, entropy, internal energy. So a lot of these quantities can be plotted on different surfaces wherever we feel they are important.